Supervised learning. A machine learning approach where algorithms learn from labeled examples to make predictions on new data. Think of it like teaching a student with flashcards. You show the algorithm many examples where both the question and the correct answer are provided. The algorithm studies these pairs, learns the patterns, and eventually can answer new questions on its own. Email spam filters use supervised learning. Engineers feed the algorithm thousands of emails labeled as spam or not spam. The algorithm identifies patterns in word choice, sender information, and structure. Once trained, it accurately classifies new incoming emails without human intervention. Supervised learning is a core component of machine learning, forming the foundation for countless applications. It powers recommendation systems, medical diagnosis tools, fraud detection, and voice recognition. Its strength lies in producing highly accurate predictions when sufficient labeled training data is available. Supervised learning. The foundation of predictive AI that learns from labeled examples to make accurate decisions.